There is a website called ltonlinestore.com which offers IT product, computer peripherals at very cheap cost. So in this video, we'll figure out the authenticity of this particular website. We'll order from this website and we will see the order experience, payment experience, and then the shipping method, shipping speed, packing, how they will pack, and as well as how much time they will deliver, and then the product review. Everything A to Z we'll talk about in this video. So watch this video till the end to get the full review of ltonlinestore.com e-commerce site in India. Let's get started. So there is lots of negative reviews online that this is a fake site, this does not deliver your product, does not give you the refund. So lots of thing was there. So I thought let's just give a try. 300 rupees in Amazon, Flipkart, and as well as local offline shop. But here you can see I got it at only 264 rupees because 224 rupees is the mouse price. So if you're gonna order in Mumbai, because this is the Mumbai based company, so you can get at 224 rupees because they will offer free shipping. And if you can pick up from the store, you will get at this rupees. Or in my location, I have shipped from there, so they took 40 rupees, so total 264 rupees, which is less than Amazon and Flipkart. And if you're gonna buy it from Amazon below 500 rupees, you have to give additional 40 rupees, so the price will be 340 rupees versus 264 rupees. So yes, of course, that is the less price. So now let's talk about the website perspective. The website is built on the WordPress and WooCommerce, so it takes little bit slow, but yes, it can be acceptable because the traffic on this website will be less. So in the home page looks like the category thumbnail is there. So what kind of category they give, like printer, cartridge, so SD card, then hard disk, mouse, everything, antivirus, so everything related to computer software and hardware you will get here. So huge collection, I must say. On the one company or one shop, if you talk, there is a huge collection. But the website front page or the website theme is quite a bit outdated if you compare with Vedant Computer, MD Computer, other websites. So my recommendation to the developer of this site will be, please improve the theme or interface of this site. Now next talk about the functionality. So if you talk about the functionality on any e-commerce, like the product page, add to cart, proceed to checkout, then the payment gateway, then the address, shipping, then the order tracking, delivery, everything is works perfectly here. So if you click on the add to shipping cart, and also there is some discount to 3 or 4% on the bulk order. So you can see this is the cart page, so you can change the quantity here, and then you have to give the email address and go to checkout. And one problem I want to say that you cannot set the password of this particular account, so you have to give the email address and then the one time URL, sign in, login URL you will receive, and you have to log in via this, and then you can go there, your information, order history, track order, so you can track it. So but the track order page, they will basically ship via basically DTDC courier, they will ship, and other courier also there, so based on your pin code availability. So I got it from DTDC, so it will redirect you to the DTDC and they will provide you the tracking number. So that's the main order functionality. As soon as you enter your pin code, it will show the shipping cost and the courier partner. So some area 30 rupees, some 40 or 50. So in my location, it is 40 rupees via DTDC courier and other courier 50 rupees. So I am selecting the 40 rupees DTDC courier. The final amount is showing in the left, that is 264 rupees. Then you have to click on continue and it will show the payment options. Right now only prepaid or online payment option is there, no cash on delivery option is there. So you have to click on the prepaid and you have to click on the go to payment. It will redirect you to the payment gateway, enter your mobile number and email ID. So after that you have to enter the card details, credit card, debit card, UPI, and as well as internet banking. All three options are available, and they are using cash free payment gateway, which is basically the Indian payment gateway. So after payment is done, you will receive one email which is saying the order is received and it is processing. So after some times it will receive another mail, basically after 9 a.m. in the morning the order is processing. So if you order before 9 a.m. on that particular day, it will be shipped on the same day, and if you order after 9 or 10 a.m., then it will be shipped on the next working day. So here you can see in the screen that my order saying order ID and some order is processing and the payment status is showing paid. Again, on the same day, after 4 p.m., I received another email that it has been shipped, and as well as the tracking number of the DTDC courier was given to me. So, after shipping within 2 days, I received the product that was shipped from Mumbai and I received at Kolkata. So, very fast delivery, I must say. So, here you can see the box. So, I must say the box is also very good packing, and they have sealed the pack very hardly, and in the box you will receive the hard copy of the invoice. Basically they will send the three copies of invoice. Two will be the outside and one invoice copy or the in A4 sheet will be also in the inside of the box. In the tax invoice, this is basically GST bill, so you can see the LT cartridge. Basically their registered company name is showing up there, so their registered company name is something different, LT cartridge, and the website is LT online. So the amount is 264 is there, so I'm gonna now open it, and in the side also you can see the LT online branding is there. So here you can see the bill also there in the box, and here is the Logitech M90 USB mouse. This is basically basic mouse. So and also the product is sealed. So yes, LT online store delivers the authentic genuine product and sealed product with genuine invoice, and this mouse covers up 3 years of warranty, so you can get and claim the warranty from the nearest service center. There is service center also in my location Kolkata. So now let's quickly just unbox it, and nothing to show here in the box because this is a very much basic mouse. So in the back side the import details is written there, it is in the last year. So here you can see in the box the mouse is there and the wear color is gray color and the mouse is black color. So that's all in this video, and let me share in the comment what was your experience on LT online shop. So and also the service center number or the call support number of the LT online shop was working. I called them to know the tracking status and they responded instantly. That's all in this video.